We've been saying it since last summer that the autumn of 2015 would be the beginning of a collapse/crisis that would make 2008 look like the good old days, and that 2016 would be a bloodbath for most investors. Well, it's happening. Thursday began with gold surging $50 to nearly $1,250. Index fund provider ETF Securities told Telegraph Money that February 9th saw the most money flow into gold bullion securities, its gold tracking fund, since the last financial crisis in January 2009. Investors poured in £239 million. In London, people were queuing around the block to buy gold, according to Michael Cooper of ATS Bullion, a family-run firm that trades online and also from an outlet in the West End of London. Bullion by Post, Britain's biggest online gold dealer, said it had received a few hundred orders overnight and frantic numbers of phone calls Thursday morning. ATS Bullion said, "The bullion market has been building with interest since the end of last year, but this morning things have gone bananas. Some bankers in London are placing unusually large orders for physical gold." The Dow Jones Index was down over 400 points on Thursday before the plunge protection team came in to salvage it, closing down 254 points by the end of the day. It ended up closed 6 points below its late August Shemitah low, which it never fully recovered from. Gold stocks soared as the price of gold spiked, with the Direction Daily Gold Miners 3 times leveraged ETF, Nugget, closing up another 21% on Thursday. It has now nearly tripled since Ed Bugos told TDV Premium subscribers that it was a screaming buy on January 19th near $18. But that was just one of numerous triple-digit gains he's had in the last few weeks alone. Here are his swing trades he has suggested to TDV Premium subscribers since the start of the year. One of his calls to go long the Japanese yen hit a peak of a 500% gain just a week after his suggestion, and he suggested subscribers take some profits in an alert on Thursday. One of the many things that separates the TDV newsletter from the rest is that we have an active private Facebook group for subscribers. And needless to say, with all these gains in the last few weeks, it's been a happy bunch. Another great thing about the group, which has over 1,000 subscribers in it, is that many of the more seasoned investors take time to help those new to investing and making fantastic gains like they have. And both Ed Bugos and myself frequent the groups and try to answer questions or comments as the time permits. As added value, especially for novice investors, we're just completing an entire book on investing for beginners, with specific focus on trading in stocks, ETFs, currencies, options, cryptocurrencies, and gold mining stocks. It'll be coming out in the next few days and will only be available to subscribers. We've had massive gains for subscribers since last summer, and they just keep coming. There simply is no other financial newsletter in the world anywhere close to our record in the last year. The great majority are in the red and losing their subscribers money. For as little as $23 a month, you can become a premium subscriber of TDV and join us for the ride. You can subscribe at dollarvigilante.com/subscribe. Think it's too late? Not even close. This is just the beginning of what we predicted will be a year that most people will want to forget. Those who don't follow us here at TDV, that is. The CNBC watchers are about to get fleeced again, and already are. And they don't even know why or how it's happening. Get educated. It's times like these where a person with the right information can not only sidestep a train wreck, but make a fortune doing it. And we already are. To get even more in the know, join us on February 18th in Acapulco, Mexico for our TDV Internationalization and Investment Summit. TDV's Ed Bugos will give you his best insights for the rest of 2016, as well as numerous other experts in investing, cryptocurrencies, offshore banking, second residencies and citizenships, and everything else you need to survive and prosper during the end of the monetary system as we know it. Hundreds of TDV readers and subscribers from around the world will be there, and for Anarchapulco, the world's largest anarcho-capitalist conference, following it from February 19th to 21st. With all the gains we've had in the last year, and even in the last few weeks, it should be a merry bunch. We'll hope to see you there.